Okay, so I am on slide number 4. You can see that over here. This is the area page. I'm going to find the area of each room. That means I kind of have to go back and forth from this room back up to my house and back down. So I can use the little house to go back to my house and look at things. And then click area calculation, house, or I can just use the left-hand slide here. I'm just going between 3 and 4. I'm working on 4 and I need to look at my house. I'm going to try to keep the colors the same because it makes it easier for me. So you can see that I have a blue, green, yellow, orange, purple, and kind of a pink red. And then here, same colors, blue, green, yellow, red, purple, orange. So let's take a look. What is my blue room? My blue room is my living room. And I need to type that in there. What is my green? Kitchen. When you type into a text box, all you need to do is click and start typing. Yellow, bathroom. Click and just start typing. The red is my art room, music room, and then finally my, oh, nope, I think purple is my pet room, and then orange is my music room. Okay, you are going to find the area of each room. To find area, you do width times height. And I want you to actually write the equation in to find the area. So when I'm finding area, yeah, I could just count the squares in here, but I also want you to write the equation. For the art room, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4 equals 16. So I'm going to do that one room at a time. So first we have the blue, which is the living room. I need to find the length of the living room and the height of the living room. The length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the height is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. If you know 7 times 5, you can put the answer here. If you have a multiplication strategy that you use, like drawing equal groups or repeated addition, grab a piece of paper and you can do that. Another thing you can do is you can count the boxes here to see the area of your living room. I know that 7 times 5 is 35. I'm going to write 35, but then I also want to put the units. We're talking about feet squared. So I'm going to write 35 feet. And then to do the squared, it's a little 2, but if I write a 2, it won't work because it needs to go up a little bit. So I put these here for you, and I just want you to grab it and put it like that. So 35 feet squared. Okay, that's the area of my living room. You're going to do this for every single room. If you get overwhelmed, something you can do is draw a box like this to cover everything else and just do one thing at a time. And then when you're ready for your next room, you can move it down and do your next room. And when you're done, you can click on it, and on your computer, you can click delete or backspace. Okay, so now I am going to do the rest of these. 6 times 3 is 18 feet squared. Okay, yellow, bathroom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 3. 5 times 3 is 15 feet squared. Art room. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 4 is 16 feet squared. Pet room. 3 times 4 is 12 feet squared. Music room. 5 times 3, 15 feet squared. Now you need to add all of these numbers up to find your total area. So grab a piece of paper and add up your area. For me, when I add all these numbers, I get 111 feet.